Alright guys, today we're going to the Vet Fest. So I had to stop here and get myself ready because we're about to try some vegan food. And every time I come to these things, y'all, I have to try food that I wouldn't cook at home. But we'll see. Let's go.
You can just get whips of it.
Oh, really?
And you can dry it and make bundles out of it and use it as like a smudging.
Okay, and that's California
sagebrush.
Brush. Okay, great.
Used everywhere, but really it's native to this area. So people across the world are using it for spiritual practices, but it's native to this area and it's a very sacred plant to the indigenous people of the Americas. Mm-hmm. So this one can handle full sun. It can handle being in a pot. Almost everything that I chose that's here can handle being in a pot.
Cauliflower tacos with an apple broccoli slaw in a citrus vinaigrette with sauteed greens and cauliflower meat.
It's always a treat to come to these type of vegan events because you meet other people who are discovering veganism, or there's some that's been vegans for a very long time. I hope you enjoyed this vegan outing. I hope you learned something today. So take care of yourself. God bless. Bye-bye.